This is a Honda CB500X that I'm going to test out today. It's a 2020. It's in, I guess it could be a 19 actually, because it's red. I think 2020s are black. So it's a little twin cylinder 500. Kind of like the 900 BMW I rode yesterday. But this is more cost effective. And if I'm looking for a commute bike, this is probably it. Just need to add a case to it. And go from there. It's pretty basic motorcycle. So we're gonna ride it. Hopefully I can get somebody to videotape me on it, and then I'll give you my impressions when I get back.
All right.
Okay, we're starting the CB500 for the first time. Look how quiet it is compared to that BMW.
That thing is purring, man.
Quiet.
That thing is purring.
Not obnoxiously loud.
It's purring. That's what I call a pussycat.
I think I fit it pretty good.
You fit well. She's just the perfect size, man. You'll see in a video. Look at that. Heels on the ground. Sitting upright. Doesn't need a riser, right? Maybe you could do an inch.
Not sure I like the shifter. A little close.
You need smaller boots. It's recording now.
Okay, so this is the 500 CB500X. It rides really nice. It's a little high revving. It's probably got just under 50 horsepower. The only things that I would change for me is I don't like how far the pegs are back, and they're a little high for me. But other than that, I think that's all fixable. It's a nice little nimble bike, and it would be a good little commute bike. So that's my take on this CB500.